Are you ready for the most fun and exciting gift of the year? The 5 Senses calendar has just been released for 2022. The 5 Senses takes centre stage with this luxurious emerald green and champagne colour. Welcome to the Easy Toys Advent Calendar of 2022. Filled with various gifts for him, for her and for them. There's something for everyone. Slowly open one per day and enjoy wonderful Christmas bliss. Packed with lots of sexy fun toys and vegan-friendly personal care products, there's lots to choose from. Today I'm going to be showing you a sneak peek of some of the items available in this year's Advent Calendar. So let's take a look. This is the 5 Senses Naughty and Nice calendar for 2022. With its beautiful shimmery colours, let's take a look on the inside. Here you have all your little boxes that you're going to open on your countdown to Christmas. So, showing the sneak peek, first up we have box number 3. In box number 3 you can find beautiful scented sticks. It's very easy to use and provides a wonderful rose scent. So pop the sticks into the perfume flacon just here and it creates a wonderful smell all around your bedroom, creating a very sensual experience for both you and your partner to get you in the mood for love. In box number 15 we have the Oral Balm. This is perfect to explore with your partner, especially if you're beginners. It has a delicious vanilla scent and it's completely edible. To use, simply apply it on your lips and then you can use it anywhere from your partner's genitalia all across their body as well. Next up we have box number 4, and in box number 4 you can find the Mini Wand Vibrator. It has a beautiful gold emerald green colour. It's a must-have in every nightstand. It's perfect for relaxing massages or to use in intimate areas as well. So it's perfect for both solo use or to use with your partner. It features a soft, flexible head so it feels very comfortable on the skin and is easy to use using the power button just here. It provides a wonderful stimulating vibrations and best of all, it's also rechargeable. Here we have box number 12, and in box number 12 you can expect to find a blindfold. A must-have in every bedroom and also perfect for beginners who want to perhaps experience BDSM or make your night even more interesting. It comes with an elastic backing for a perfect fit and also features a plush material on the inside so it doesn't irritate the eye area. It's soft and comfortable to wear and also features a beautiful emerald colour at the front made of a silky material. You can enjoy a romantic time with your partner. You can blindfold them and let them and yourself enjoy every touch, sound and much more. And lastly, I'm going to be showing you box number 24. And in box number 24 you can expect to find this beautiful emerald green cock ring. It's very unique and features 2 rings, one to pop around your cock and one to put around your balls. It's made of a very stretchy and flexible material to ensure a longer and harder erection and also the perfect fit. It's something for both him and for her as it features stimulating nubs on the back just here for the clitoris, or you can also use it for the ball area as well. It can be app controlled so you can connect this to the Spacom app and enjoy creating endless vibrations. You can even connect your music and listen to the wonderful beats of music. The power button is just on the side. Push and hold down, press once more and the vibrations begin. And best of all, it's also rechargeable, so you can use this again and again. For more information on the 5 Senses Naughty and Nice Calendar 2022, head over to our website using the link in the description below. Merry Christmas!